So yeah, here we have one billboard, but I wanted to show you that one. So today is the 4th of April. I don't know when you will see this. I think sometime in May. But yesterday it was so windy that this billboard, or I don't know what would be better way to describe it, you know, it got toppled over. Pretty, not only that, you know, it actually broke off from its base. And as you can see, yeah, it could really hurt someone if you would be near this event. So yeah, yesterday it was pretty windy. Today is also quite windy, but yeah, yesterday it was much worse. In some places around Slovenia we had like 120 kilometers per hour strong winds. Yesterday during our afternoon walk, well, already during our noon walk, the wind was so strong that I actually couldn't see normally, you know. The wind was basically hurting my eyeballs, you know, because I don't wear, you know, sunglasses or anything like that. So yeah, it was pretty strong.